In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Threads. Whether you're tightening privacy or simply curating your feed, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to tap and what to look for, with a few tips to keep things clear and stress-free. First, open the Threads app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want the block to apply. It helps to start on the Home tab so everything loads correctly. Next, look to the top right and tap the magnifying glass icon. This opens Search and Explore, which is the fastest way to navigate directly to the person's profile instead of scrolling through your feed. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar. This places your cursor in the field and brings up the keyboard so you can enter exactly who you're looking for. Now type the username or the person's display name. If you're unsure of the exact spelling, try a few variations or include distinctive parts of their handle. The results will update as you type, so take a moment to scan them carefully. When you see the correct profile, tap it to open their page. Before moving on, double-check that you've got the right person by glancing at the profile photo, bio, and any other identifying details you recognize. This quick check helps avoid blocking the wrong account, especially if there are similar names. On their profile page, look again to the top right and tap the three dots. This opens a small menu of options for account actions. From that menu, tap Block. Threads will apply the block, preventing that account from interacting with you or seeing your posts and replies from the account you're using. The person won't receive a notification that you blocked them, and you won't see their content in your experience. This is a strong boundary tool designed to keep your space comfortable and focused. That's the whole process from start to finish. Open Threads, use the magnifying glass to find their profile, tap the three dots, and choose Block. Take your time with the search and selection, and you'll set the boundary exactly where you need it. If your app layout looks a bit different due to updates, the options are usually in the same places, and the wording stays consistent. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident managing your experience on Threads.